The Obudu Cattle Ranch, officially known as the Obudu Mountain Resort, is a popular tourist destination located in the Obudu Plateau in Cross River State, Nigeria. The resort is situated on the Oshie Ridge of the Sankwala Mountains and is known for its breathtaking views, cool climate, and diverse recreational activities. Key features of the Obudu Cattle Ranch include scenic beauty, a cooler climate, a range of accommodation options, various amenities, tourist activities, a cattle ranch heritage, an annual carnival, and conservation efforts. The resort is surrounded by lush greenery, rolling hills, and beautiful landscapes, offering panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Due to its elevated location, it has a cooler climate compared to the surrounding areas, making it a refreshing getaway for people looking to escape the heat. Visitors can choose from a range of accommodation options, including standard rooms, chalets, and villas, based on their preferences and budget. The resort is equipped with various amenities, such as a swimming pool, golf course, sports facilities, and a cable car system that provides stunning views while transporting guests up the mountain. There are numerous activities for tourists to enjoy, including hiking, birdwatching, horseback riding, and a canopy walkway. The natural surroundings make it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts. While the Obudu Cattle Ranch has evolved into a modern resort, it still retains elements of its cattle ranching heritage. Visitors may encounter some cattle on the property, and the ranch's history is part of its charm. The Obudu Mountain Resort hosts the Obudu Mountain Resort Carnival annually, attracting tourists from different parts of Nigeria and beyond. Cross River State is known for its vibrant cultural events, and this carnival is a highlight of the resort. Efforts are made to preserve the natural environment, and visitors can explore the unique biodiversity of the area. The resort is situated in a region with diverse flora and fauna. The Obudu Cattle Ranch has become a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists, offering a blend of natural beauty, adventure, and relaxation. It provides a unique experience for those seeking a getaway in a picturesque mountain setting.